Okay, and IMH battery, mini type, charging with the imax V6 clone. First connect your battery, use the type button to select battery type, and IMH. Mini types should not be charged over 0.5 amperes. Okay, long press on start, charging starts, and you can follow the process on the screen. This battery seems to be flat because the freshly assembled M4 is not cycling with it. However, the 7.4 watt LiPo pulls it very nicely. Wanted to show you, but here it is, the M4 and the 7.4. Okay, just a demonstration for the owner. 7.4. Ah, 7.4 LiPo, 1100 mAh. Okay. .4. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.